Hey guys, what's up beautiful people? So, I've never done a makeup tutorial before in my channel and it's a struggle. I mean, I do a lot in my Instagram. By the way, you should check my Instagram out, follow me there and subscribe to the channel. So, it's been a wild ride and it's okay. Story time next time. So, today I created this look for the Diwali festive season, and yeah, it's simple. It's not too many products. You can work your way with your own products, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna use my Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. It's not because I'm growing old. You can use it. People above age 20 can use it. I'm using it as a moisturizer, taking all the way through my neck. And then I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer all over my face as a normal base primer. And then I'm gonna use the Pore Minimizer from PAC. I use this on my T-zone. Yeah, it helps to minimize my pores, just fill them in so that I don't sweat a lot or my oils come out after my makeup is done. So because I tend to sweat a lot, I'm going to use that in my T-zone. Then I'm going to use my favorite foundation, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Classic Beige. At the moment, I love this one. It feels a bit ashy when you apply it, but then it tends to oxidize to your skin shade. Like, I take a lighter one so that it can oxidize and get into my color, like the skin tone. And then I'm not gonna overdo it. I'm just gonna layer it once. Yeah, blend it with my PAC blender. And then I'm not going to use any concealer per se. I'm going to use the Kryolan Supra color face palette. So it's just the foundation pans you get in the whole palette. I use them for my clients, but I use the one particular shade to my eyes. That is the FS28. Yeah, it's FS28. I love that pan. Like, it's exactly my shade. I don't brighten up my under eyes with the concealer, but I brighten them up with my banana powder. So when I semi bake this, then I'll get the perfect finish, because anyway I'm gonna warm up my face afterwards. So I'm gonna blend that in and use my Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and I'm gonna semi bake. I'm not putting it in any wiping motions. I'm gonna just tap it in, just let it sink, let it stop all my sweat and oil, that's any creases or anything. And then I'm gonna use my Neutrogena lip moisturizer SPF 15, because I'm gonna use matte shades. So I'm gonna use the Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in 01 Flawless. I'm going to use the coral shade as a transition shade to my eyes. And then I'm going to go with Earthy Orange. That shade is beautiful. It's really like warm toned orange, which helps to intensify my crease. So I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush or a crease brush, and I'm going to apply that on my outer crease, and also work my way through the inner crease. As you can see, it's really pigmented. This palette is what you need. Okay, you can use this for your party wear, for the festive wear, puja, anything you go. It's a wearable palette. You can use it anywhere. And so yeah, these are really pigmented, and it comes with 3 matte shades and 5 shimmers. So it basically becomes a party palette. And I'm also going to use the Earthy Orange on my lower lash line, like lower lid. I'm going to use the Copper shade I'm gonna do any cut crease or something. I'm just gonna be subtle with it. Not gonna use any lashes also. I just want to be natural and not too dramatic on this festive season. So I'm gonna use that as my shimmer shade. It looks so beautiful in person. I don't know if you're able to catch the reflection and the shimmer on screen, but in real life it's beautiful. And with one swipe it just gives you so much pigment, and you don't need to dig in again for a lot more product. It's just there. You don't need anything else. I'm gonna use the champagne gold shade for my inner corner, and this is a beautiful, again the shimmers are amazing. Next I'm gonna use Sugar's Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in 07 Peacock. I can't get enough of this because it's really pigmented and really stays there until you take your makeup off. I mean, it's amazing. It's like heavy duty. The product just says it, just screams the name of heavy duty, and it promises, and it's keeping its promise. It's amazing. It's just amazing. Then I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution blush palette. Take the third and 4, 5, 6, 7th shade, mix them both, use it as a blush. And yeah, I'm not gonna overdo the blush because I want that natural flushness in my cheek, so I'm gonna put it in from the inner side to the outer side of my cheek. Then I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour palette on an angled brush and then I'm gonna contour my face, my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, like temples of my face, and then yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna do my brows. So I don't do my eye makeup first and then my foundation, but I do the foundation and then do my eye makeup. If even there's a fallout, I can just dust it off. So I'm gonna use my Freedom Makeup eyebrow pomade in dark brown because it's a bit dried up, because I don't use it often. I'm gonna take a lighter and just warm the product, and then I'm gonna use it with a eyebrow brush. And yeah, I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my brows. I'm just filling in the sparse gaps and yeah, overlining them a bit, just a tad bit. I love doing brows. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna use Maybelline's Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect waterproof mascara. I love this mascara, but it's waterproof and you can't it's too difficult to take it off, but the effect that gives is amazing. As you can see, just lifts your lashes, shows them off. Like I can literally flutter in them. It's beautiful. Use them on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm gonna take Sugar's Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade 14 Teak Mystique. So this is a beautiful warm red and brownish shade, like all the mixed warm brown, warm red, to name it as you like it. I just love this. It screams festive on your face. It just literally screams festive on your face. I'm not gonna use any lip liner because I'm not going anything crazy on my makeup today, like so many steps. I just want to be easy and peasy. And then I'm gonna take my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, spray that all over my face, let it dry for like a minute or so, and then I'm gonna take my PAC Big Highlighter in the shade 06. I'm gonna just cleanse my entire face. I just want it to glow. This actually gives you a glow from within, wala glow, you know. Trust me, take this one. I love it. It just beams when the light falls on you. Oh my god, it's amazing. Then I'm done. I'm gonna put some jewelry. Yeah. Damn. And I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you would know whenever I upload. And then obviously you'll get my notification. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna say bye bye now. I hope I'll be back soon. Let's hope for the best. Okay, subscribe. Bye and have a happy and prosperous Diwali.